Banpen priang ya kejeng nang jengtep halor ki an bat ki skim ki bagi nong snong ki batre ki kam baper ki de bantep lat no ki kam sarkar hagani ka tayo la penlong ya kejeng ai jing hikai ki nong tre ki tenat sarkar ki bede kam bat ki pat ba ya gani kelumpong ai jing hikai la penlong ha ka khatwai trek mentau nai wiang hajar arpho ha ka office tre kam jong ka Meghalaya Administrative Training Institute ka badon ha ka nong ba shillong Hagani kelumpung ajing hikai ke belatip kum ke Legal Services to Workers of the Unorganized Sector. Lapan long dengan Meghalaya Legal Services Authority, bat kejing temu hi halor kejing penlong ya kani kejing ajing hikai, kalong bagi breu ke bateri belas ngi bat ki kontraktor, kiri bantip kejing mentoy ki bagi dibenyo nak sorkar, ki badekat kum ke labor law. Kum kejing mentoy ka puli putih jeng ki kon, ke insurance bat ki bagi skim sorkar. Ya kini kebentar ban IJ hikai ya kini kesini lah syam du member secretary jangka Meghalaya Legal Services Authority Unur Ain Khan ubala pensyai banalor kijing mentoy ki bagi dibenyo nak sorkar ki don ruk ki kendon ban ada ka hok jang dong bela haba banjur halor kebentar jang ki kontraktor ha kini kebentar Unur Ain Khan uloong bakani ka kamram jang ki ban pentikna ban chim kya halor ka kya ka shon jang dong tre jang ki Kibede kibal ajing kerana kini kesni halor ki skim bat ki an menadai ka hok jeng nong bela ki kenthop yu Deputy Labour Commissioner ke District East Khasi Hills uba PT bela ubala keran halor ka Construction Workers Welfare Board Rules and Benefits nang tau Labour Inspector Headquarter uba dirembai ubala keran halor ka Pradhan Mantri Shram Yogi Mandhan Scheme bat ka National Pension Scheme for Small Traders.
Ada kumbau mimpa pihak buat kata PF, kata registration ID jomo. Always maintain that. Kanos new trade at P kata how let's say 2020-21 kanos new like trade at P. Kita update, depending upon that. Please maintain data so that playing on that. Kali ke port pandemic kerja, the Supreme Court I already kill it. Check that aside. We need to know the number of workers. Contractor guru kim dan data tapi. Nampak boleh? Kila ai ke gam how manager, how sardar pun hire and fireman. But at least kamtam yagi real local jongin lada bi hire yagi to gi non local ki in the state bawan na baru please maintain data. So anybody who enroll himself at age 18, neither for when election field we encourage people. If you don't want 18, at least sedang enroll after age 32. Lah could age limit ban room kam sarkar no. Itu ba let's say who have some level of education. Then and imagine lada ubreu enroll pan at age 40 or have sale aspa shpna government kan sa ai nediang central government kan ai aspa for 20 years he'll be for 20 years it'll come to roughly 200 per month 2400 per year for 20 years kan supply sawa prahaja. Ini dia kan terkat nak kata kalian ni, kamtam ini scheme. But keep in mind, kedai online based right, and Aadhaar card banyak. Of course, MBOC juga Aadhaar card udah kama, but in this case, sorry, Epic. Dan kedai scheme nama kedai jang central government, Aadhaar card is a must.